Welcome to the Carnival Dream. Come on in. I'm excited to give you a full tour of our ocean suite. So this is an ocean suite on the Carnival Dream. This is just a quick look at the main room. It does come with a stunning balcony, a larger size balcony than a regular balcony cabin. So I'll show you that in a bit, but first I'm going to take you into the washroom area. The first thing you see when you walk into your room is this little room that's just outside the washroom, and it has like a mirror, a couple storage shelving units, one regular power outlet there, and then on the other side are some closet doors. These doors we found were a little tricky. They sometimes stick, but you get the hanging capabilities on the one side, and you do get a couple robes as well because you're in a suite. So that's one of the perks of having a suite, is you get the robes. And then on the other side you have more shelving. This room you'll find has a lot of storage capabilities, which is awesome. So now into the washroom, there is a step here, so you want to watch that. This is probably the biggest washroom I've had on a Carnival cruise ship. It's a fantastic room. Same kind of thing. You have the shelving on the sides. You have two sinks, which is pretty amazing. A ton of towels. We never ran out of towels, which was also good. And then you have a jet tub with a shower. The jet tub I did not use, so don't really have any experience with that. But the shower has the doors, so that's nice, not the curtain. But I will say the space between the door and this bar is tight. You have to really watch how you wash your hair and move around. It is pretty tight. So, I mean, I think that's probably my only complaint about this, is that you do have to watch that you don't bang your arm on that bar. But yeah, it's wide. You can actually get out of the shower, wipe yourself down, put on clothes in this room. You've got tons of space. Pretty good. Thumbs up. Another fun thing about this small little room leading to the bathroom is there is this divider door, so you can use this if you want to change or need some privacy, because there are a lot of mirrors in this room, so that's kind of helpful to have that. Okay, so we're back in the main area. There are 3 people staying in this room. I believe that is the max capacity in this room. We decided to have the beds separated. You can have them put together, and then there is the sofa that turns into a bed as well. So if there's only 2 people, you would use the 2 beds, and then you would have a sofa, but we have the bed instead. And then comes with a chair and a table. But unlike other rooms that I've had that come with a table and chair, there's actually room to walk around. Like this room is definitely one of my favorites that I've ever stayed in on a Carnival ship. Got lots of storage, as we're going to show you. We've got some corner shelving units here. Okay, so you've got some shelves there that you can use. Lots of drawer space. You've got your safe in here. And then you have a pretty small TV. That's probably the smallest TV I've had in a long time in a cabin. Okay, and then over here, I'm going to show you this first. This room has a lot of mirrors. So behind the bed, big full-length wall mirror. And then also there's mirrors at the desk area. And then there's also mirrors under the TV. Mirrors everywhere. So be cautious of that. If you're staying with, someone other than a significant other, you might want to be aware of that. So there's another closet here. Lots of space. So there's hanging capabilities. And then, of course, I've got my laundry bag. Never leave the house without it now. Life vests. They actually are stored in your cabin still on this ship. Unlike the new ships, they have them at your muster station, but they are still in the cabins here. And then lots and lots of storage space, shelving, and another full-length mirror. And over here, I'll show you, we have a fridge. Stores all of our beer, pop, water very nicely. We've already been here a week, so we have lots of stuff going on, that extra that really shouldn't be here. But I wanted to show you, give you a tour. And then there's lots of more corner shelving, which, as you can see, we haven't been using. As suite guests, you do get 2 bottles of water. These ones are extra, that come in every room. They charge $4.50 for those, but as suite guests, you do get 2 additional ones that are complimentary at the beginning of your stay. Each bed comes with a bedside lamp and table. Each lamp does have ports for USB charging, but an important note that I'd like to mention is that we found not all ports worked in this room. I think it was about 50% of the ports in this room worked. I think there was only 1 outlet in this room, and then there is 1 other outlet in the hallway leading to the bathroom. And now for my favorite part, always my favorite part. All right, so here is the balcony. As I had previously mentioned, it is slightly bigger than a regular sized balcony. You get 2 chairs, table, and a lounge chair, which is very nice. This was a wonderful room and balcony. The deck below juts out a bit, so the balcony isn't completely private, but this area wasn't used very much, so it didn't impact our experience at all. And you have complete privacy from the deck above you, which is a plus. Since the Carnival Dream was built in 2009, you will notice a few minor imperfections in the cabin, and the decor wasn't exactly my style, but those things didn't take away from the overall comfort and enjoyability. One thing worth noting is that the suite is located directly across from a utility closet used by the room attendants, so we did hear noise from dishes and other activities throughout the day. The cabin is also very close to the atrium. I found this convenient for being close to the entertainment, but light or early sleepers may want to reconsider this location. I found the sound from the atrium to be more of a white noise, and by midnight it quieted down completely, but it is something to make note of. In terms of space, this suite had plenty of storage and was perfect for 3 people. Overall, I'd absolutely book this suite again. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found it helpful, and stay tuned for more Carnival Dream content. And happy cruising!